Okay, this is the situation at 7 p.m. on the 18th of September at Chickamauga. This will be the last hourly report now because we're into twilight and night turns will be starting soon. So we'll probably do a couple of reports for the night. If we look at the Confederate Army, they're pretty much staying where they are. The guys are up, everybody's bivouacking down, having some chow and stuff and thinking about basically what's going to happen in the morning because they know there's going to be a battle tomorrow. They don't know exactly where the Union Army is, but they know it's it's directly in their way down the Alexandria Road. Got the Union forces, these Reserve Corps units. They can't find Minty. They have no idea where the Confederate Army is, and they've got orders basically to retire north, which is get away. You've got Thomas's corps over there is positioning itself right here in Kelly's house. So that's a terrible order. That's really, really going to stretch the Union Army to a hopeless state and allow the Confederates just to punch straight through the middle of it. Now, orders are coming through to Union troops now. Wilder's brigade have got an order to move up to here to defend these bridges. We've also got orders coming into the 14th Corps, which is pulling it away from Glass Bridge here and sending it to cover the right flank of the Union Army, which will be covering this area as well. So the Union are starting to strengthen their position, but it's still not very good. They're heavily exposed to a massive Confederate forces across the Chickamauga Creek already.